This is what you're going to learn how to create in Davinci Resolve, which by the way is inspired by Gemini AI interface. Start by adding an Infusion composition to the timeline, then right click and open in Infusion page. Inside, connect a simple background and add another one to create this animated gradient. Change the type to gradient and choose the color combination that you want. For me, I like this one, and you can change the offset as you like, then connect it to a B-spline mask from here. Now, from the viewer, draw a random shape like I do here, and it doesn't need to be perfect, and you can always adjust it as you like from the points.
What the hell is even that?
Then increase the soft edge a little bit and shift plus space and add a Gaussian blur, and also play with the strength until you get this random shape as you can see. And now to the animation. Click on the B-spline node and delete this keyframe over here, then right click in this spot and choose perturb. A new tab will appear, head to modifiers and play with these three settings over here so that when you play the animation, the shape will be moving like you see here. Now let's move to the search bar. Add another background node and change the color to a gray one. Then connect it to a rectangle mask, adjust it from the viewer and increase the corner radius all the way until it will be like this. And like any UI, we are going to add several elements to it which will be in a PNG format, and you can get these PNGs from the link in the description. For the plus PNG, you can connect it with the search bar, but for the other elements on the right side, we must connect it separately, and I will explain why in the animation part. Add a text node with them, then add a background, change the color to blue, and connect it to an ellipse mask. Rescale it and put it in the right side, and add on top of it this arrow PNG. When you're done, it should be looking like this. Now, copy this rectangle mask and connect it to this tree node so that we can hide this search button like this. To create this animated line, copy the previous background with the rectangle mask, then change the color to white. Then uncheck solid and in the rectangle mask increase the border width and you can reduce the blend a little bit. To animate it, reduce the length to like 0.2 or 3. Make sure you are in the first frame and create a keyframe in the position. Move to the very last frame and create another one and increase it to 1 to get this simple animation, and you can add a soft glow node and adjust it to your liking. But the trick is to go to rectangle mask, then in the settings activate the motion blur, increase the quality to 10 and in the shutter angle make it 1400 to get this nice soft edge to the line. Let's add some text animation. The first one you can get it in my text animation pack from the template folder. You can find the link in the description if you're interested. Just connect it and write the text that you want and adjust everything else like the usual. But the addition part is to go to this label and adjust the animation to your liking. For me, I'll reduce the blur to like 5 and there you go. No keyframes needed. To the second one, which we will create it manually. Let's adjust everything like the first one, then move to like frame 20, lower the right on to 0 and create a keyframe. Then move ahead to like frame 54 and create another one. Then increase it to 1 to get this typing animation effect. Now, if you go to Gemini website and you write what you want, the second you do that, this icon will pop up, which we will create in our animation. And that's why we hide it early. So move just a little when the text will show up and create a keyframe in the center. Then move only one frame and create another one, then drag it to the left and there you go, just like the website. Let's add the cursor PNG and add a transform node to control it, and when the text will end, create a keyframe in the center and move ahead and create another one. In the second one, put it just above the search bar. Then in the first one, move it outside the frame to get this straight animation, but to smooth this line, you can add a middle point from the viewer and go up here and smooth it. Then keep adjusting this path until you get a better one. And there you go. But if you still can't find it smooth enough, open spline and select the whole graph, hit F, then Ctrl plus T and adjust it like this. Then open the keyframes tab and stretch the keyframes like I do here, play it and you should get a smoother animation. You think we're done?
Psych!
But like all the pros, you always should create another one or multiple camera angles to your animation. From the edit page, add an adjustment clip and make it start where the text will move just a little. Then increase the zoom all the way and create a keyframe in the position. Then move to the last frame and drag it to the middle. If you can't tell where, you can add a grid to help you with it. Right click in the last frame and ease in. And there you go. Simple but very effective. Tell us what you think in the comments and see you guys in the next one.